10 years, I've watched this little tree grow bigger and bigger, and I pretty much am tired of it, and I'm going to just use the old brute force method and just chop the thing all the way down when there's some turnover. And I want to kind of tackle that one, but I'm probably going to have to hire a crew to do that one, and I might have to get a permit. But the thing is I want to eliminate this from causing any problems in the future, and I might as well act now while I'm still willing and capable and can just knock this thing out before it gets into this gigantic, huge tree that causes, you know, all the root system. Look at this. I want to show you guys, look at how significant the root structure is. And it's just like, it's going up towards the front door and trying to go underneath this entrance. So I'm gonna do something about it. I'm just gonna knock out this tree first right now. And I got an axe and a saw that I just picked up, and then we'll see what I'm gonna do with this one, if I'm gonna try and do it or if I'm gonna hire somebody. I think I could do it. I don't know. I just wanted to document this and, you know, maybe do some before and after photos. All right, last look. For my next trick, I'm gonna take it all the way out, the stump and all.